Welcome back. Hong Kong led a sell-off across world equities today after China proposed a new national security law for the city. That weighed on investor sentiment, shadowing optimism about a further easing of virus lockdowns across Europe and the US. The Hang Seng lost 5.56% to end the day deep in the red. Investors, they're worried that Beijing's move could trigger another wave of pro-democracy protests in the city. Mainland stock markets reacted negatively after China refrained from setting a 2020 GDP growth target. The benchmark Shanghai Composite Index fell 1.89%, while the Shenzhen Composite Index lost over 2%. Elsewhere in Asia, the South Korean benchmark index closed 1.4% lower, logging its steepest loss in more than 2 weeks. And Tokyo stocks closed lower as well. Investors there reacted to the release of inflation data, which shows core consumer prices turning negative for the first time in 3 years. Now, in Australia, the ASX ended nearly 1% lower. China-US sentiments seem to have outweighed hopes of a speedy recovery for the domestic economy. New Zealand closed lower as well. Singapore's benchmark lost over 2%, while Bursa Malaysia ended the trading week 1% lower. European markets tracking losses across Asia, London shedding 0.76%, Frankfurt, Paris also seeing losses this hour in the red.